everyone! Today we will be making a pet for Patrick!
Hello! Enjoy watching!
Let's show our pets!
Let's go! This kind snake is my pet!
She has such big teeth. Is she kind?
She is very kind!
Bye, Patrick!
Bye, SpongeBob!
Time to go home! Gary, come here! Gary, now we're going to play different games! Look at these blocks! Spell your name with them! That's right, your name is Gary. Oh, a burger! If I were a police officer, I could find out who lost it.
I heard you want to become a police officer.
I really do.
This book should help you.
Wow, thank you.
Take it. See you later, SpongeBob.
Thanks to Squidward. Now I will become a police officer. Squidward, I've read the book.
Moving on to the next step.
I wonder what's next.
Hi!
We want to become police officers.
Okay, I'll help you!
Cool cap. Am I a real police officer now?
Yes, you are a police officer now.
Cool!
What about me? I want to become a police officer too. Now I'm a police officer too.
Now we are all police officers.